Hi guys, Constance here with Zoomtan. Today I want to talk to you about lotion. So one of my new favorite lotions of the 2018 line is the Treasure. I call this one heaven in a bottle. This one smells amazing. It has a touch of DHA that's going to give you some instant and continued color. But what I love about this whole milk based formula that has the sugar elixir in there is that it also has calcium, B2 and vitamin D in there to help you achieve a nice rich color while nourishing your skin. If you haven't tried the Treasure yet, I highly recommend you try it. Get you some Treasure today. So another one of my favorites that I really enjoy down here is the new charcoal lotion we have, which is the Prosper. This is a 9 times bronzer, but also has a touch of DHA, so it gives you some instant and continued color. Now, one thing I really like about the Prosper is it has charcoal. Charcoal helps rid your skin of impurities. Now, if you haven't tried the charcoal, they do say to leave this one on up to 4 hours, but this is a lotion I can actually put on my face as well, and I don't break out from this. Now, I'm really into the charcoal smell as well. Kind of smells like wild roses, but if you haven't tried the charcoal lotion, the Prosper we carry, I highly recommend you try this one. This one's really great to double dip with as well. Even though it has a touch of DHA, it's a small amount of DHA, and the charcoal actually counteracts that to where you can actually spray on top of this when you tan regularly as well. So if you haven't tried the charcoal, the Prosper, I highly recommend that you do, and maybe even double dip with it. You would be surprised. It gives you amazing color.